So how do you download the Minecraft on the iPad? So you can open up the App Store on your iPad, and for most people it's going to look like this, that you're going to go to the search, type in the word Minecraft, and you're going to be able to get it for about $8 or euros in my case. You can see there are plenty of different like similar looking apps, but there's only like one original, which is right there, and you can buy it like this and install it. There are, however, a few issues which could happen if you cannot do it this way. It is technically possible that it doesn't work in every single region. So what you can explore is your profile within the App Store. Click on your name at the top and you should be able to scan your face and authenticate yourself, but then you have the option to change the country and region. I'm not sure where exactly it works and where it doesn't, but you need to, or you can switch to a different region right here if you want to access apps in a different country's app store. That might be a good way to explore it if it doesn't appear for your case. Another option is, of course, make sure that your iPad is running the latest version of ipadOS, as you want to make sure everything is compatible and up to date on your side. And one last option and thing why it may not work for you is perhaps you might have some restrictions in place. Because if you open up the settings and go to the screen time, there are the content and privacy restrictions, and this can apply to app installations, app store, and in-app purchases and all of that kind of stuff. So you want to make sure that everything is allowed right here, that you can download it normally. But that's going to be about it for me. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and guides like this one. And I'm going to catch you later in the future videos.